Hello and welcome back to the Discovery Workshop ASMR, and today I'm just doing a short video review on this little drill set thing that I got from off of Mighty Ape inside this box here. Yeah, it's all for miniature stuff. I think it's like that chromium. It's reasonable quality, I think it's, that chromium nickel something or other. I think you spend like a little bit more and you get the better quality drill set. So that's the case. So that's what you get. I think the normal mild steel one on Mighty Ape is just $20, but this one was $40. So yeah, double the price, but you got, you know, I suppose stuff that'll last longer. But without further ado, so that's all the different sizes for the toolkit and details. Yeah, so there's yeah, and this is what's on this side. So easiest to get out. That appears to be, there's these tools here. Not sure what this first time I got a tool set like this. Not too familiar with everything in here. Yeah, looks like some kind of feeler gauge or something. So this tool set, these are tweezers. This tool set I suppose will come in handy for doing you know, the Tamiya projects that I plan to do, where I have to build an RC car from the all in pieces. Oh gosh, I wish this would just go in. Yeah, doesn't seem to want to go in. Jeez. Yeah, that's in. This thing, I'm not too sure about all these. Not all that familiar with it all. This thing. Yeah. Yeah, that's that side. Other side. So here I think goes in there, and so say I want to take that off, the wheel off here. So yeah, so that'll take that off. Can screw it back on. So that's a 5.5 millimeter nut driver, I think it's called. And yeah, they're not particularly the easiest to find down in this size. Yeah, so I suppose yeah, and that's all the stuff on this side. I think I should be quite well covered with this little set, hopefully. The neat thing is it comes with this little tool that you can put in your little drill, and so you can zip those off really fast. Yeah, and there's this. So yeah, I think I'll wrap it up here. Please like and subscribe, and over and out.